Today, two questions are being asked of us. First, when storms come into your life, whom do you discover is there for you? Kapag may mga bagyong dumarating sa ating buhay, kapag may mga problemang dumarating, kapag may kalungkutan o karamdaman, kung pakiramdam natin nag-iisa tayo, sino yung mga taong nandyan para sa'yo? When things are easy, when the sun is bright, it is very easy for people to be with us. Kapag successful ka, kapag masaya ka, kapag marami kang pera, maraming tao sa paligid mo. Pero kapag bumagsak ka na, kapag failure ka, kapag nagkamali ka, meron bang naiiwan sa tabi mo? Whom do you discover is there for you? And the second question is, when storms come into someone else's life, will they discover that you are there for them? Kapag humaharap na sa paghihirap, sa problema ang iyong kapwa, nag-iiwan ka ba? O nananatili ka sa tabi nila? My dear brothers and sisters, presence is often more powerful than words. Isn't it that when we experience suffering, all we want is a person assuring us that they will be there for us. Yung magsasabing, iwanan ka man ng lahat, nandyan ako para sa iyo. Kasama mo ako.